Once again, welcome to OJAANK Times with a big update. India embarks on a semiconductor revolution, aiming for self-sufficiency and technological independence in chip manufacturing, underscoring its ambition to become a global tech leader. The Union Cabinet has approved Kane Semicon's new semiconductor unit in Sanand, Gujarat, with a substantial investment of Rs 300 crore to boost production capacity. Kane Semicon's facility will produce 60 lakh chips daily, catering to sectors like automotive, EVs, electronics, telecom and mobile, significantly enhancing India's semiconductor manufacturing capabilities. India launched the National Semiconductor Program in December 2021, allocating Rs 76,000 crore to develop a robust ecosystem for semiconductor and display manufacturing. Multiple semiconductor units have been approved, with Tata Electronics and CG Power setting up facilities in Gujarat and Assam, indicating a nationwide push towards semiconductor manufacturing. India anticipates nearly Rs 1.5 lakh crore in total semiconductor investments, with a combined production capacity of 7 crore chips per day, aiming for commercial production by 2026. The global chip shortage highlighted the need for self-reliant semiconductor manufacturing, prompting India to rapidly advance its domestic industry to mitigate supply chain vulnerabilities. Micron Technology is investing in India's first high-end semiconductor fabrication plant, strategically located in Sanand, Gujarat, expected to be operational by late 2024. India's semiconductor landscape is expanding with 4 units under development, spread across Gujarat and Assam, involving both domestic and international players. While 5 countries currently dominate 70% of global semiconductor production, India is emerging as a significant player, poised to challenge the existing market leaders. Semiconductors are essential for smartphones, medical devices, vehicles and computing, making them critical components for various high-tech and everyday applications. India envisions a tech future marked by self-sufficiency in semiconductors, economic growth through high-tech manufacturing, and becoming a global innovation hub. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and press the red bell icon to stay updated daily. To get free study material and PDF content, join us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp.